Ready to take a break from Discord? Logging out is just a tap away, but make sure to save this video for your future reference. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Take My Life, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to log out of Discord. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. First, tap on the Discord icon on your home screen to open the app. Once you're in the Discord, tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner to open the profile page. Now tap on the settings icon at the top right. Inside the user settings menu, scroll all the way to the bottom. At the bottom of the menu, you will see the logout button. At the bottom of the menu, you will see the logout button. Tap on it. A confirmation message will appear. Tap logout again to confirm. You will be logged out, and Discord will take you back to the login screen, where you can sign in with your account again if needed. So this is how to log out of Discord. Thank you for watching Take My Life. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.